The fuck is that motherfucker? Look at his ass.
Take a picture.
No, I'm recording. I can't get a What is that? Ew. Look, actually, it's better like that. What the fuck is that motherfucker? I ain't never seen a bug like that. Anybody know what the fuck he is? It was found on our kitchen floor. What the hell?
It's bizarre.
The fuck are you? You are nasty looking. Yuck. That is so fucking sick. Dude, I have never seen any bug like this in my life. And now my husband's gonna dispose of it because this is fucking nasty. Ew. Gross. It's like the head's there and these little scalpy things on the end. I thought it looked like a slug, something, or a snail. I don't know what the fuck this bitch is.
Legs.
Yeah, it's got some funky ass legs, and I don't know, mutation or something. We have never seen this bug before. We've been seeing all kinds of bugs around here this summer that we have never fucking seen. Yep, that's nasty. And it's alive on our kitchen floor. Disgust. It's about to go outside.